Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Skill Station. Today is our ninth lecture of our advanced course Statistical Data Analysis by using the RStudio. And in our previous lecture, we have discussed about correlation, how we can make the point plot and different basic plots, and what is the RStudio. We have discussed each and everything in very detail. I hope you are now able to write and generate the script. We also have learned how we can generate the script. So in our today lecture, we will learn how we can generate the heat map by using RStudio. Heat map on RStudio. So what is the basically function of heat map? So basically heat map are the plots that are used that can be plotted by categorical and numerical data. Basically these are used for the visualization of the data set. Actually, in our statics portion, in our second portion of RStudio course, in our stats portion, we will discuss what is the function of correlation analysis, what is function of point plot, what is function of bar graph, what is function of heat map. So for now, we're just learning how we can perform these different analysis. So today we will learn how we actually heat map can be used in the bioinformatics for the gene expression, and it has different other functions. We will discuss inshallah in our next lectures. So guys, I have a good news for you. From tomorrow we are also going to start our lecture called Python, how we can use Python for analysis. It will be very wonderful, like our studio course. So guys, now we'll start our lecture. So first of all, we will import our dataset, and I have already shared this dataset ficus with you on my WhatsApp group as well as on my YouTube channel. So first of all, download dataset name ficus, and here ficus, and import the dataset. So in our data analysis process, first step is import the dataset. Dataset has imported, and the second step is what we are going to perform. Actually we will generate the script by using the AI by heat for heat map. So what we will do, first of all we will activate our data. Activate means str our data. First of all we will activate our data by writing the name of dataset ficus and run it here. Sorry, again I run it. Yes, it has run. So I has get this table. So from str to uh, I have to cut it down. Yes, from str to we will copy this table, and simply we will go to the chat gpt AI. So guys, basically I am not going to teach you how we can write a script. We have learned it in our lecture number second, third and fourth, but today we are going to learn how we can generate the script of the heat map. Simply, first of all you have to open the chat gpt. As I am going to the chat gpt, I have opened the chat gpt, and after that you will write the command to the chat gpt. First of all, as I am going to write this line, you will copy same to same. I want to create heat map in R. I want to create heat map in R, simply, and paste here. And ChatGPT will give you script. Here we go. ChatGPT has write script for us. Simply we will copy the script and paste it to the RStudio, and simply we will run the script. So guys, here we why we are going to perform how we are going to perform the analysis. In our next lecture we will learn descriptive statistics and regression analysis, and descriptive statistics, regression analysis, ANOVA, t-test, each and everything. So I have pasted that, and now I will run the script. I am going to run the script where I will get error. I will copy the error and send to the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will fix that error for me. And if it shows that I have missing any library or function, simply I will install. Here I get the heat map. Here guys, I have get the heat map. Simply I can right click and copy image, or I can click on export and save the image as a PDF or as a image. So guys, here I have get heat maps. That's it. That is how guys we can perform the heat map analysis. Now we will plot or generate for different types of heat map. Tell me, tell me all types of heat maps. So now ChatGPT will help us to understand the different types of the heat maps. Here, heat maps, basic heat map, and ggplot heat map, correlation heat map, clustered heat map, gene expression heat map. So these are the different time series heat map and missing data heat map, customized color heat map. So these are the different types of the heat maps, guys. Okay. So now we ask ChatGPT what is function of heat map. So ChatGPT will help also understand what is the function of heat map. Heat map is a graphical representation of data where values are depicted by color. Yeah, but it helps us to understand the latest pattern and the trends and understand the missing values and higher purpose. It has tell us all the purpose of the heat map. So that is guys how we can perform the data analysis by using the RStudio, especially the heat map. So in our next lecture we will learn about the descriptive statics, t-test, and ANOVA and regression analysis, guys. So must subscribe my channel, and soon I am going to start research writing, SPSS and Python course of my on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.